Bruh. Bruh. Oh my gosh.
Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather,
why is it on tone?
The test is postponed until the first good
Bruh.
weather day.
Oh my god.
Reception of this broadcast in the
Gosh.
tone will vary from place to place. This variability,
It's
normally
on
more
tone.
noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be
I just realized that song was still on test mode. Well, not test, well, siren test mode. So it didn't go off for the weekly test.